Organizing your apps on an iPhone 14? Trust me, I've been there, staring at a chaotic home screen that looks like a digital junk drawer. It's frustrating, but let's fix it step by step so it's usable, not stressful. Start with a simple purge. Hold down on any app until they start jiggling like they've had too much coffee. Then tap the little NAS to either delete or hide apps you no longer use. You'd be surprised. Some apps haven't been opened in years. Now it's time to categorize. Think about how you use your phone. Are you a social media person? A fitness tracker? Create folders by dragging apps onto each other. Name them something you'll remember, like social, work, or fitness. Here's a pro tip. Keep your most used apps on the first page. Think of it like organizing a desk. Put the stuff you grab all the time in easy reach. For me, that's messages, mail, and Instagram. Front and center, no swiping needed. Don't forget widgets. The iPhone 14 makes it stupidly easy to add widgets. Just swipe to the left, hit Edit, and tap the plus in the top corner. Add widgets for things like weather, reminders, or your step count, visual and functional. Focus mode is an underrated hero in organization. Set up different focus modes where your home screen changes based on what you're doing. Work mode might show email apps and notes, while chill mode brings up streaming apps and games. Apple's app library is basically a digital filing cabinet. Swipe all the way to the right and it magically organizes every app into preset categories like productivity, social, or entertainment. Use it. It's like having a cheat sheet for finding apps fast. Try color coding your apps if you're a visual person. Group apps based on their icon colors, like Instagram, YouTube, and Netflix, all in one red folder. This tricks your brain into finding things faster. Plus, it can look kind of artsy. Reset your dock. The dock is prime real estate on your iPhone. Only keep your 4 ride or die apps here. Mine are Safari, Messages, Spotify, and the camera. Anything else? It doesn't deserve to live rent-free in my dock. Set your wallpaper strategically. Choose a clean, minimal background so your app icons don't disappear into a busy image. If possible, pick something calming. It's amazing how much this reduces the overwhelmed feeling when your screen is crowded. Use Spotlight Search more often. Swipe down on your home screen and start typing an app's name. It pops up instantly. Honestly, forget scrolling through 5 pages when Spotlight saves so much time. This feature doesn't get enough love. For the ultimate organization hack, schedule a monthly cleanup. Seriously, take 10 minutes at the end of each month to uninstall junk apps, rearrange folders, and refresh widgets. It's like Marie Kondoing your phone, and it feels so good afterward. Oh, and don't stress if your phone isn't perfectly organized. It's a tool, not an art exhibit. If you can find what you need quickly and easily, you've already nailed it. Otherwise, it's just chaos in your pocket every day.